Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start in Settings because this is where iPhone controls background activity. Tap General, then Background App Refresh to open the menu. Once there, choose the overall mode, off, Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi and cellular, depending on whether you want cellular data used. Make sure low power mode is off. iPhone suspends refresh when it's active. If battery is low, plug in or wait until you have adequate charge so apps can update reliably in the background. Now you'll manage apps individually so only important ones refresh. Scroll the list and toggle each app on or off. Keep messaging and navigation apps enabled for timely notifications and location updates. Once you enable several apps, monitor cellular usage because Wi-Fi and cellular uses data. If you need finer control, disable heavy background apps like video or shopping. This reduces battery drain while keeping key apps current. Make sure app permissions and finish by verifying changes. Force close and reopen an app to see if background updates resume. Once done, restart your iPhone to clear any system hiccups and make settings stick. If an app still won't refresh, make sure low power mode is not reactivating, update the app, and check its in-app background permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: uninstall and reinstall the problematic app if settings look correct but data still won't refresh. That often clears corrupted app state and restores background updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.